I'm Erin Leckrone, Vice President of Clinical Trials at NMDP. CIBMTR CRO Services offers full-scale trial support for organizations in need of clinical trial strategy, operations, and logistics support. I am working with the operational teams for clinical trials to understand status of our currently enrolling and in design clinical trials and how to best disseminate research findings from those trials to impact patient outcomes.
What the CIBMTR does is it collects data from transplant centers all over and allows us then to look at outcomes of patients that have undergone a stem cell transplant. We know who their donor was, what type of conditioning regimen they received, we know what sort of supportive care they had, what their cause of death was, and relapse. When you have all of that information, you can make the best decisions for the newer patients. And that's what research really is.
It's very important that a sponsor organization, if they don't have the expertise in-house, choose a partner that has both expertise in the clinical space and operational knowledge. We offer full-scale CRO support, full-scale clinical trial support, or we can offer one-off solutions. Within the full-scale model, we can start helping you with your protocol right from the very beginning. We can help you design it to make sure it's aligned as closely as standard of care. We can help you with the design of a clinical trial from the clinical insight perspectives, as we have on-staff transplant physicians here who can assist with that. In addition, we can help all the way through site selection, build the database, statistical modeling, all the way through the end of the analysis and getting you to the marketplace. What's really unique about the CIBMTR CRO Services is that we operate both as a sponsor and as a CRO. So it's a very unique perspective that we are running clinical trials knowing what other organizations are up against, which puts us in a much better position to be able to help our partner organizations overcome those same obstacles. We partner beyond that with NMDP, who has expertise within regulatory and medical.
We have a lot to offer to the field to help advance their clinical development programs, advance their very difficult journey through drug development, but as rapidly as possible. We will continue to support the industry as it grows, and we fully expect that the volumes of drugs that are provisioned, the numbers of patients that are treated are going to be in the many, many tens, if not hundreds of thousands of patients. This is where we can make a huge impact on patient care, not just in the United States, but around the world.